Mistral I Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're fascinated by artificial intelligence, a Mistral I promises cutting-edge tools for exploring, testing, and deploying AI models. But is it really worth your time? One of the biggest pros is versatility. Most people get this wrong by assuming the app only runs pre-built AI models. In reality, it allows developers and enthusiasts to experiment with generative AI, test model outputs, and integrate apps into their own projects. It's a powerful playground for both learning and practical application. Another advantage is accessibility. The app offers user-friendly interfaces for non-experts while still providing advanced options for developers. You can interact with chatbots, run text-to-image generation, or experiment with language models without needing complex setups. This makes AI exploration much more approachable. However, there are cons. Some users report performance limitations when handling large datasets or high-demand queries. Certain advanced features may require paid subscriptions, and beginners might face a learning curve in understanding model parameters and outputs. Additionally, offline functionality is limited, so a stable internet connection is necessary. In conclusion, Mistral AI is a valuable tool for anyone interested in AI experimentation. The surprising truth is that while it's accessible for beginners, its full potential is realized by users with some technical background. For developers, students, or AI enthusiasts, the app offers a hands-on way to explore cutting-edge AI models. It's not just an app, it's a gateway to understanding and creating with artificial intelligence.